The time is always right to do what is right. Words made famous by American civil rights activist the late Martin Luther King. And doing right is not lost on the Jamaican business community, which has answered the government's call to partner in pushing Jamaica forward. Today, we shine the spotlight on some companies which have joined the nation's mission, celebrating culture while being a responsible corporate entity. CariMed, distributors of pharmaceutical and consumer products through its CariMed Foundation, has been lending its time and resources to education, health, and community development initiatives. In 2012, the company also set out to put the island's rich heritage on display. It staged a cultural queen competition showcasing CariMed's talented staff.
Sun a shine, but things not bright. Two pot a boil, the bickle not enough. River that flood and water scarce. Rain a fall, but dirty tough.
When the dust settled, it was Sales and Marketing's Clevoni White who was crowned Miss CariMed Cultural Queen. Second place went to Geraldine Gibson from Customer Service, while the Human Resource Department's Giselle Raymond came in third. CariMed's sister company, Kirk Distributors, also had a cultural experience, this one a display of all things Jamaican.
Different eras representing old-time sinting in terms of the things and the items that will be found in the typical Jamaican home.
The competition allowed us to appreciate the things that we have, because oftentimes we complain, but when we look at the tools that our foreparents used, we realize that we truly have come a far way. And so I really believed the competition, it also facilitated lots of learning.
The JPS lit up 2012 with all things Jamaica 50. In commemoration of the island's Golden Jubilee, the company went all out, putting on a poster competition, a concert, and mounted displays. Here are the pictorial highlights. Besides fulfilling its mandate of providing affordable housing, the National Housing Trust staged a creative decor competition in 2012. Take a look.
Welcome to Procurement and Stores Unit. Our theme is Housing the Nation. We're on it!
I think it's a wonderful effort. Jamaica has been blessed by the institution of the National Housing Trust. We have been providing housing and home opportunities for people, and I think that as part of the entire celebration, that NHT as a landmark institution should play a significant role in the actual celebration itself.
Until next time, this has been The Arts Page.